Hi ladies and gentlemen, I didn't do any dusk or dawn videos. How you like my little Christmas ornament right there in the front? $3.99 at Home Depot. My lights are on already, but the outside lights right here are not on. I think that's pretty neat. I think they'll do the trick. I may go get one, maybe 4 more and put them up. I will get them and put them up all over. But it's time to get out of here. I gotta go pick up some prescription medicine. I got everybody sick. Oh well, let's get going. So, this is where I live, where I hang, where I chill. It's my pet. Nah. This is where I come down and take care of things for the family. Get them set up and off we go. Never get it right. And somebody always knocks down the LEDs. Look at that. That's nice. Off we go. I used to come here for some pizza. On the left, no more. They're out of business. Make a little pie for one. But this is Char Hut. I like coming to Char Hut. I get a pita bread with chicken, lettuce, tomato, pickles on it with onions, and the pickles are good, but the onions always repeats. Order fries and share it. And they're not huge, but they're enough for 2. So off I go into the store. Is this the car I like? So I finished up, got what I needed. That's the Char Hut. There is a movie theater over here, and normally we'll see some shows. Didn't get to see anything. But that's it, guys. Not much happening anymore. I got the evening shot in, and I'll be amazed if it comes out. I apologize for the camera shaking off. I put my camera here so you don't get to see my speedometer. Just the way I am. No need to see it lit. You know how fast I'm going? Not fast at all. But that's it. I hope nighttime is a good time to shoot. What's in the movies that we could go see? Dr. Thacker, Low Vision Age, Steve's Barber. It's not movies. Catch you on the next run. Time to load Power Director 16 Ultimate. Oh yeah. There now that's pretty. They did a good job. I'm proud of them. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. Yes.